Welcome to TikTok Ad Training Kit Chapter 1. How to set up TikTok Ads account. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to set up TikTok Ads account. Step by step. So let's get started. Go to Google and type TikTok Ads, and click on the top result or access ads.tiktok.com. After that you can log in with your account, or click sign up to create an account. Enter your email and password to register, and click sign up. Solve the CAPTCHA and check your email for the registration confirmation code. Copy and paste the code on the registration page. Next, complete your account data and click the register button. The next stage you have to determine the payment method, and click the Go to Ads Manager button. Choose the ad mode that suits you. For example, we will select Custom Made, click Custom Mode. And you will enter the ad creation page, where your TikTok Ads account has been successfully created. See you in the next tutorial. Welcome to TikTok Ad Training Kit Chapter Number 2. How to set up TikTok Business Center account. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to set up TikTok Business Center account. Step by step. So let's get started. Go to the TikTok Ads Manager, and click the Business Center icon at the top right. You will be directed to the Business Center. The next step is to complete data from your business account, such as Business Center name, time zone, business type, company name, your business industry and website. The next stage is billing information. Click the Create button if you have completed all the data. And the process of creating a TikTok Business Center account has been successful. Welcome to TikTok Ad Training Kit Chapter 3. How to activate two-step verification. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to activate two-step verification, step by step. So let's get started. Go to the TikTok Business Center, and at the top right, click your Business Center and click User Settings. Then on the left select Account Security, and select the two-step verification method you want to activate. In this example we will use two-step verification with email. Click Send Code to send a verification code to your email. And check your email, copy and paste the verification code and click the Next button. Done, you have activated two-step verification. TikTok for Business Account Settings. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at TikTok for Business Account Settings. Step by step. So let's get started. In the TikTok Business Center, click Settings, and in this section you can see account information starting from the user ID and roles from the user ID. You can also make changes by clicking Edit. You can also activate two-step verification on certain accounts such as the admin account only or for all members. Done, thus the settings on the business account. See you. Welcome to TikTok Ad Training Kit Chapter 5. How to create schedule ad. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to create schedule ad. Step by step. So let's get started. In the TikTok Ads Manager, click the Create Ad button, and choose the ad generator mode that suits you. This time we select Simplified mode, and choose your advertising goals. We choose traffic. Next, set your advertising audience, select a custom audience, and set demographics, such as gender, age, language. Then at the bottom, you can set where your ad will appear, only on TikTok, or it will also appear on other networks such as on Pangle. And click the Continue button. Next you determine your daily advertising budget, and determine your ad schedule, when it will start and when it will end. And click the Continue button. You have successfully created an ad schedule. The next step is to connect with your TikTok account and click the Submit button. That's how to create your ad schedule. See you in the next tutorial. Welcome to TikTok Ad Training Kit Chapter 6. TikTok ad formats. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at TikTok ad formats. Step by step. So let's get started. When you are in the TikTok ad manager, click the Create an Ad button and select Custom Mode. Then you can select the ad format provided by TikTok. Currently you can choose ad formats: reach, traffic, video views, lead generation, community interaction, app promotion, website conversions. Choose one to start creating ads according to your needs. See you in the next tutorial. Welcome to TikTok Ad Training Kit Chapter 7. TikTok Ad Groups. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at TikTok ad groups. Step by step. So let's get started. Once you are in the TikTok Ads Manager, click the Create an Ad button and here you can start creating ads. Select your advertising goal. In this example, we will select traffic, then name your campaign. Click the Continue button, and you are now in the ad group. Here you can set placements like your ads only appear on TikTok or also on other networks. Then you can also set custom or automatic targeting. You can set demographics when you choose custom targeting. You can also set the target behaviors of your ads. At the bottom you can set your advertising budget. So ad groups are where you set your target audience and also your advertising budget later. See you in the next tutorial. Welcome to TikTok Ad Training Kit Chapter 8. TikTok Ad Copy. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at TikTok Ad Copy. Step by step. So let's get started. On the TikTok Ads Manager, when you set your ad, scroll down to the Ad Creative section. You will find Ad Creative Video and Text. In the text section you can enter your ad copy, or you can also use Smart Text. Click the Smart Text button. And select the available languages. Select your business industry, and enter keywords. Our example will enter the keyword weight loss. As you can see below, TikTok Smart Ad will create high quality ad copy for you, which you can use in your ad campaigns. You can also use the translation feature to translate your ad copy. Click the Confirm button to use your ad copy. See you in the next tutorial. Welcome to TikTok Ad Training Kit Chapter 9. How to create specific ad group. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to create specific ad group. Step by step. So let's get started. On the TikTok Ads Manager, you can see on the right the summary and the audience availability for your ad are too broad. To create a specific ad group, you must define a specific audience. In the targeting section, select custom targeting, not automatic targeting. And it's time for you to complete the demographics of your ad's target audience, such as a specific country, and you can choose up to a certain province if you want to target a specific audience in a province. Next, select the language used by the target audience for your ad. Specify the audience's gender and age. In the audience section, you can create specific audiences for each ad. You don't have a specific audience at this time, click this small icon to create a specific audience. You will enter on the audience page to start creating your specific audience. Click the Create Audience button. In this section you can choose your target audience type. Example of an audience that has interacted with your TikTok account. Complete all data and click Confirm. Back to your specific ad group settings. In the Interest and Behaviors section you must fill in according to your target audience. Please select the available drop-down. On the right, you can see your audience is more specific. If you specify a device from an audience that can view your ad, the available audience will be more specific. Complete all available settings such as the ad budget and click the Next button to start creating your ad copy. See you in the next tutorial. Welcome to TikTok Ad Training Kit Chapter 10. TikTok Ads Manager Dashboard Walkthrough. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at TikTok Ads Manager Dashboard Walkthrough. Step by step. So let's get started. Once you enter the TikTok Ads Manager, you can see brief information about your ad. Like today's total spend, active and inactive ads, trends, impressions of advertising costs and others. Scroll down, you will see more detailed information. At the top, You will find the main menu. Click the campaign menu to create your ad campaign. The assets menu has several sub-menus such as events, creatives, audiences, catalogs, comments, and instant pages. And next is the reporting menu that you can use to create ad reports. There are custom reports sub-menus, video insights, creative inspiration, and audience insights. At the top right you will find several icons, such as a notification icon, a business manager icon, and your TikTok Ads Manager account icon. Click the account icon. You will see several sub-menus, such as account information, payment, and user settings. Return to dashboard page. And you can also create your ad via this page by clicking the Create an Ad button, or you can view a log of your account activity. This is an explanation of the TikTok Ads Manager dashboard. See you in the next tutorial.